Welcome! This is the Information Literacy Competency Standards for Higher Education class, presented by Bernadette Piccione at the Sachem Public Library. In this presentation, we will discuss the importance of information literacy. I'll go into a quick background of the concept as presented by the ACRL, and then we'll discuss the assignment. The term information literacy was first used in 1974 by Paul G. Zurkowsky in a study he conducted for the National Commission on Libraries and Information Science. He defined this term as techniques and skills for utilizing the wide range of information tools as well as primary sources in molding information solutions to their problems. Zurkowsky predicted that the United States would have universal information literacy by 1984. Sadly, he was incorrect. According to PA Forward's recent studies, 22% of all students think that 80 to 100% of the information that they find on the internet is completely factual, and thus reliable to use in papers and research. And 9% of all information used for research papers was from Wikipedia or other wikis. According to the Association of College and Research Libraries, also known as ACRL, information literacy is a set of abilities requiring individuals to recognize when information is needed and have the ability to locate, evaluate, and use effectively the needed information. A person who is information literate has the ability to critically evaluate information and sources, and can incorporate selected information into their knowledge base and value systems. They are able to determine the extent of information needed, access the needed information effectively and efficiently, evaluate information and its sources critically, incorporate selected information into one's knowledge base, use information effectively to accomplish a specific purpose, understand the economic, legal, social issues surrounding the use of information, and access and use information ethically and legally. In simpler terms, an information literate individual is someone who can learn through self-direction because they can equip themselves with all skills previously mentioned in order to successfully conduct research. So, why is information literacy important? Well, to begin, individuals are relying more and more on wikis and Google to find reliable information for their research. Everyone has done this, especially because it is easy to simply type a query into Google and get millions of results. Wikipedia is usually the first of these results. However, many people don't realize that Wikipedia can be edited by anyone, meaning that the information cannot be relied upon for research. However, there's a small caveat to this. Wikipedia articles always have citations, so rather than using the information straight from the article, one can simply explore the references section and use this as a starting point for research. This is a simple first step in becoming information literate. In a study conducted on behalf of the ACRL by Kimberly Y. Franklin, more than half of the 74 doctorate students in the study said that information literacy is important for accurately defining information needs, critically evaluating information, selecting appropriate investigative methods, and reconciling personal values and knowledge with new information. Students also reported that learning from librarians is a great place to begin this journey of information literacy because the librarians perform functions that require these skills in almost everything they do on a daily basis. By the end of this course, each student will know how to identify main ideas from texts, how to examine and compare information from various sources and thus evaluate reliability, validity, accuracy, authority, timeliness, and point of view or bias, how to use computers in appropriate applications for studying the interaction of ideas, how to determine whether information is satisfactory for research goals, how to draw conclusions based upon the information that is gathered, how to integrate the new information into previous knowledge, how to investigate opposing viewpoints, how to participate in discussions, and how to review gathered information and determine if it has met the original goal. Students will be able to summarize main ideas extracted from the gathered information, articulate and apply initial criteria for evaluating information and sources, synthesize main ideas in order to construct new concepts, compare previous knowledge with new knowledge, and determine whether there is added value or contradictions, validate understanding and interpretation of new information through discussion with other individuals, determine whether the initial query led to satisfactory results or should be revised, and successfully navigate and post to library discussion board with significant additions to the discussion. For this assignment, you will be creating an annotated bibliography with articles on information literacy. You will also make a list of resources that are not appropriate for scholarly research and explain your reasoning. Once the bibliographies are graded, they will be uploaded onto the library's website where you can download it and analyze your mistakes. You will then discuss these mistakes on a designated discussion board and explain how you can rectify them. Using at least 3 different databases provided by the library, please locate 5 scholarly articles that discuss the importance of information literacy and then create an annotated bibliography. The bibliography should be in APA style and discuss the key themes and points made within the article. Each entry should include the strategies and keywords that you used to find each article. Throughout the week, you are responsible for posting to the discussion board about your progress with the bibliography. Discuss the problems you are encountering or the success that you're having. Add to the conversation by commenting on other students' posts. Also, sometime during this week, compile a list of sources that are not appropriate for scholarly research and explain why. By the end of the week, after assessing your graded bibliography, please post one final time to the discussion board. Discuss the errors and critiques on your bibliography and explain how you will rectify them. Read and comment on at least 3 other students' posts with a paragraph of at least 200 words. You will be graded on the following criteria: participation, understanding of topic, research skills, and APA formatting. Well, that's it. Here are the references used for this presentation. The rubric for the assignment can be found on the library's website. Don't forget to post on the discussion board throughout the week and have fun.